Welcome back to our discussion about that unknown secret core muscle. Today we're talking about the diaphragm. So the first exercise that I give people is actually just breathing. I have people put a hand on their chest and a hand on their bellies, and then I say, I want you to take a good breath in, but I don't want your chest hand to move at all. I only want to see your belly move. So you're gonna breathe so you're feeling your belly. Just like that. The exercise I give people to get this ball initially rolling as we're addressing core strength is actually to just lay in bed in the morning and in the evening for 5 minutes, practicing that breathing, learning and retraining your brain to turn that diaphragm on, get it fully flattened out, and then back up. Because if you don't have that motor control to flatten that out, you're not gonna be able to engage it when you wanna engage your core. The other fun fact about it is when you do use that diaphragm and feel that belly so that you're there, we will also work on bracing so that you're pretty firm there. I mean, you don't feel anything there. You can push on it with that diaphragm filled, and that means you have good abdominal pressure. Fun fact about it, this is actually what weight belts, the weightlifting belts that wrap around, this is actually what they were designed for, is a feedback that those weightlifters are filling and holding that abdominal pressure. So you put that on, you go to do your lift, you take that deep breath, and you hold, and you can feel that belt pushing against that pressure. It's a feedback mechanism so that your body knows that it's getting that pressure it's supposed to. I always tell people to think about if they have a baby or a niece or a nephew, watch them breathe if they're young. You're gonna see their bellies just in and out because they haven't had the peer pressure to be skinny, and so they just breathe how we were designed to breathe, using their diaphragm. So that's a really good example of seeing like how it should look. So there's some fun facts about the diaphragm. A good exercise to start working on engaging that. Obviously we build into more core exercises as you get good at controlling your diaphragm and holding that intra-abdominal pressure, but that's kind of the foundation for that. So a little bit of a longer treatment Thursday, but thanks for sticking with me on it. Just kind of an interesting topic that there's a lot to talk about with. So join in next Monday and we'll be talking about a new muscle group.